Hello loves! Welcome back again to my channel. Today, magsuroy-suroy na kita sa Surigao City Boulevard. Boulevard of Broken Dreams. Let's go!
Ato
Charles.
nilarga na an News MPC Island Navigator. It's more fun in Dinagat Islands. So it's going to Dinagat, one of the islands here in Mindanao, in Surigao and is a port.
So guys, we are here in Surigao City Boulevard, and pag pupunta kayo ng mga islands like Dinagat or Siargao Islands, you can ride from here. There are ferry here going to those
Kung going ka mo sa
islands.
Siargao, tinhisap ka mo musakay or sa Hayangapon or mag-plane ka mo. So I think mga oras ra or dili ra mag-oras ang Dinagat. It's turning now. It's turning. Nilibot na siya. Ito'y umiikot, umiikot, umiikot. Tanawa guys. Diyan magdayanan ko the people that carries rice cargoes inside. You look like it's just easy. Pero kapag ka hindi ka sanay. See? It's crazy. Easy lang sa kanila mag-bring ng 3 sacks of rice. Makikita mo may mga islands doon way closer, but pag magbiyahe na mag-take ng mga hours. Depende sa may merong mga malakas magpatakbo. Others will zoom faster. Look at the boat. The boat is turning. Umiikot na siya. Gaya mo, pinapaikot lang. Ngew, ngew, ngew. No, slowly lang siya, slowly. Kasi naka-anchor pa din siya. Pagka open sea na, doon mo malalaman kung talaga. It's more fun in the islands. But we are here standing in. This is in the back. I think si Udit. Nagsira nito si Udit. The typhoon Udit before. Because it was done before. Nagawa yan before. It's okay before. But nagsira ni Udit. Si Udit ata yun or sa Lindol. I don't know. But basta nasira siya. It's damaged because of the typhoon. Birdie. Taking 9 years. At na-hear na ka mo. You hear already the where is it turning? To the left, to the right. Kay scary. It looks like it's mara siya koan. You're swinging, you see? If you observe it, pag obserbahan mo siya talaga, parang makikita mong nag-swing siya. I don't like the weather for today's video. It's not smooth. But if you live in the islands here, you are supposed to used to it. Though still scared sometimes. But somehow you need to get used to it because there's no other way from those islands. Yeah. The design is very cute though. Doesn't have any, what do you call that one? Like this one. It has a side whatever to help balance, but that one is no more. So it's really turning to us, facing us now. I thought it's facing that way. There's a bird. What kind of bird is that? Hello birdie tweet. Fly high butterfly. Fly high butterfly. Woo. Thank you Lord for the beautiful day. Kasi umuulan lately. It was raining lately for over a week. So now it's a beautiful day, hot day, hot day. Oh my god, I saw some, I think that's a ferry from Manila, also from Luzon. You see that? It's a big ferry, because these ferries are just for these islands closer here. 2 to 3 hours. That one is for whole night. That big ferry over there. So let's wait for that too. Okay, it's going now. We will be bye. Have a safe trip, guys. Have a safe trip. There's a tiny boat at the side. It's in racing. Go, 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 Power Ranger. The other at the side is so cute. Nakikipagpaligsahan. But oh my god, it's so faster. Zoom, zoom. Okay, it's turning in the other way, going to the island now. And the bird says, fly high, butterfly. Woo! Okay, ingat po kayo. The bird, maybe it's waiting for fish to catch. Yeah? Nag-iintay siya. Naghuyat-huyat ang bird. Nag-fly-fly ang bird. Waiting for birds. No, fish. Para magat siya niya. Is a food. It will catch. There are flying fish here, so I'm sure. What kind of bird is that? Is it eagle? Char? I don't know. My camera is not that good to super zoom in, but maybe. So have a safe trip. The other one still take 9 years. It's a very beautiful day. Malunggay Pandesal.
Malunggay Pandesal.
It's very hot. Time check still 9:40, but still super hot na. But at least somehow. There's our ports also if you're going to Cebu, Luzon, Manila. Those are the you ride ferries there. And the boat is over there already, so far away na. See that? So far away na. There's a sa itong lansya, kapasingid ka mo sa mga dinagat. Ito mga fruit stand there. Pasingid ka sa mga islands, dinhi ka mo sa kay sa Boulevard, Broken Dreams. Ay, bayod. Kay scary. MV French. Kasi nga sa islands, Dinagat, Tubahon, Socorro, Siargao. Smile ko no, smile ko no. Queen Sofia. There's something over there. I don't know what there's a pangka dito. Ito, mura na amo pa mo abot. Hindi, Benz, Gabriel. Amo pa sila abot, nga naog sila.
Okay guys, if you want to visit Philippines, you can call me and hire me as your tour guide. Charot. Anywho, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And you can support me by sending people to. Bye.